Hello, friends. Today's topic is what is environment and what are the factors responsible for causing environmental pollution. It is a very important topic and a most repeated question asked in many of the competitive exams. So, let's begin with what is environment. So, in simple language, environment is nothing but our surroundings, meaning that it is a combination of all the living and non-living things. The word environment can be defined as external surroundings and the conditions which directly or indirectly affect the all living organisms. Environment is a sum total of air, water, land, and the interrelationship among themselves with human beings and other living organisms. A number of necessities of life are fulfilled, rather derived from the environment, and thus we can say that environment is the life support system. But gradually our environment is degrading because of many causes. So first of all, we should know what is environment pollution. Environment pollution means the introduction by man into any part of the environment of waste, water energy or surplus energy, which changes the environment directly or indirectly, adversely to affect the opportunity of man to use or enjoy it. So there are environment pollution can be classified into two ways. The first is the natural pollution, the second is the man-made pollution. So in natural pollution, under this category of pollution, flood, earthquake, cyclone and drought can be placed. These natural calamities are capable to cause havoc that may be disastrous. On the other hand, in the man-made pollution, this class of environment pollution is caused mainly due to the unmindful human activities. Like modern industries produce industrial waste and toxic gases. So, now let's start the factors responsible for causing environmental pollution. The first main factor which I have mentioned is the uncontrolled growth of human population. The growth of uncontrolled human population is the most responsible factor for the all environmental problems. The environmental degradation is considerably caused on account of unmindful human activities, as I already said. Thereby, ecological balance is disturbed. The second cause or the factor which I have mentioned is deforestation, another important factor. Forests improve rainfall and allow maximum research of groundwater. Forests are the natural sink of poisonous carbon dioxide because trees and plants use carbon dioxide to prepare their food during the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Deforestation has directly adverse impact on soils and land because of the exposure of ground surface to a high intensity of rainfall. The rural population is exploiting the forest for their livelihood and for their necessities. Hence, the forest bears the bold look due to the human encroachment. The third factor is the industrial development. As we all know that the present time is the era of globalization and industrial development. Now, the economic prosperity of human society is the paramount consideration. The rapid growth of industrialization resulted in the exploitations of natural resources and also resulting in environmental pollutions. Another important cause is lack of environmental awareness. It is true that our so-called educational system is considerably liable for degrading the environmental quality. A common man is hardly aware of environmental problems, which is a global issue. Next comes the unplanned urbanization. The migration of the population for want of employment and education from the rural areas to the urban centers caused the population explosion in urban areas. The increase of population and urban development considerably deteriorated the environment visibly. The last but not the least is poverty. It is true that poverty causes damage to environment because poor people are constrained to exploit natural resources for meeting their daily needs relating to food, fuel, shelter, fodder for cattle and employment. That is all about the topic what is environment and what are the factors causing environmental pollution. Hope you like my video. Do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.